Welcome back to the Gear Garage. Today. 2026 BMW M8 Gran Coupe Competition is the perfect blend of luxury, performance, and aggressive styling, offering a driving experience that excites the senses while delivering world-class comfort. From the moment you see it, the exterior leaves a lasting impression with its sleek aerodynamic silhouette, low stance, and muscular curves. The signature kidney grille has been refined with a blacked-out finish, while slim laser headlights and sculpted air intakes enhance its sporty character. The coupe-like roofline flows smoothly into a bold rear with quad exhaust tips, a carbon fiber diffuser, and a subtle lip spoiler, all of which scream high performance. The 20-inch forged alloy wheels and available carbon ceramic brakes hint at the car's true potential on the road and track. Under the hood, the M8 Gran Coupe Competition is powered by a twin-turbocharged 4.4-liter V8 engine producing an impressive 617 horsepower and 553 lb-ft of torque. Paired with an 8-speed M Steptronic transmission and BMW xDrive all-wheel drive system, it launches from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.0 seconds, delivering explosive acceleration and razor-sharp handling. The adaptive M suspension, active M differential, and selectable drive modes allow drivers to tailor the experience from a comfortable cruiser to a track-ready machine. Despite its size, the car feels incredibly agile, thanks to precise steering and a well-balanced chassis. Inside, the 2026 BMW M8 Gran Coupe Competition offers a perfect balance between sporty design and luxurious comfort. The cabin is wrapped in premium merino leather with contrasting stitching, complemented by carbon fiber trim and Alcantara accents. The M Sport seats are both supportive and comfortable, offering heating, ventilation, and massage functions. The driver-focused cockpit features a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, a large curved infotainment display powered by BMW latest iDrive 9 system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a premium Bowers and Wilkins Diamond surround sound system. Ambient lighting, 4-zone climate control, and generous rear legroom make it a great choice for long journeys, while the Gran Coupe body style ensures ample cargo space. Advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and 360-degree camera provide convenience and safety. Pricing for the 2026 BMW M8 Gran Coupe Competition starts around $142,000, with higher trims and optional packages pushing it closer to $160,000 when fully loaded. While it's certainly a premium investment, the combination of breathtaking performance, cutting-edge technology, and unmistakable presence makes it worth every penny for those who demand the best from a high-performance luxury car. This machine isn't just about getting from point A to B. It's about enjoying every second of the journey. Whether you're carving through winding mountain roads or gliding along the highway in supreme comfort. In the world of performance sedans, the 2026 BMW M8 Gran Coupe Competition remains a symbol of power, prestige, and precision engineering, offering a driving experience few cars can match. Like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.